And we are starting with this. We now have the first flu-related death of the season in Galveston County. That is from the health department there. And it's the first one there in 4 years.
There are major efforts underway to prevent this sickness from spreading even further. Matt Doherty is live from outside the county's health department with more on that. Matt.
Yeah, things have gotten so bad out here. The county's still giving away free flu shots. Now, the season still hasn't peaked, and there's been at least one death.
Can you drop your arm to the side for me?
Today, residents in Galveston County learn they have one more reason to get a flu shot.
Yeah, one of my friends at church, neighbor, died last week from it, so this stuff is serious.
The woman who died was 61 years old. The health department says it's the first report of a flu-related death in Galveston County in 4 years.
61, it probably wouldn't quite qualify as elderly, and that's the reason why we feel it's so important to actually announce this proactively, because we want people to see this tragic case and realize just how important it is to get that flu vaccine.
Mitch Philpott says the woman's death was abrupt.
She went to the doctor, and then she came home, and she was in the bed, and her friend that lives with her there came in the afternoon, and she just passed away. That was it, just like that.
The former high school science teacher from Texas City says during his years spent in the classroom, he'd gotten used to having the vaccine brought to him.
All right, Mr. Philpott.
This season, he'd waited until almost the last minute to get the shot. But after learning of the death, he knew for certain this year's strain of the virus is nothing to mess with.
That's what I've heard from a lot of the deaths from this flu. Is they go to the doctor even, they send them home, they're sitting in bed, and bam, they're gone, like that, that's scary.
Now, county health officials told me that they knew this was going to be a bad season. They said they first started seeing cases back in September. That's before the flu season even started. They say they have 500 more vaccines on their way right now. We're live in Texas City, standing for Houston. Matt Doherty, KHU 11 News.
All right, and that is good news. All right, thank you, Matt.
And